nasa BMX ka?
Hindi ko po alam. Actually, hindi ko nakita si... The last time that I saw my father is in Quezon City Court. Nagkakasuhan sila ng mother ko. So, attorney. So, yun lang. Yun na yung...
Anong year yun?
Last year yata, or this year. Hindi, I try not to get involved with my father anymore kasi nga, it's a personal issue with me. And sabi ko, kung happy siya sa life niya, I'm also happy with my life, with my mom and with my sister. So, okay na ako doon. So, kung siya happy siya with... Bahala siya. Kung happy siya doon, I'm happy for him. Diyan na lang siya.
Ang tatay mo, mistiso?
Pwede.
Kasi
I'm not sure.
Tapos, yung mom mo, di ba, law
Isa,
student din
yes,
siya, di ba?
law student.
Magkaklase pa rin kayo?
Hindi na.
Hindi
Siya, magkaiba kami ng school.
Saan school na siya?
MLC, Manila Law. Ay, tama ba? Manila Law College? Sa Manila siya.
Tapos MLQU ka?
Yes,
Ayun
po.
lang. Thank you.
Thank you. That was Jojo Gabinete of Tech. Up next, we have Morley Alina of DZRH.
Magandang umuulan.
Oo nga po, makulan na tanghali po.
Oo. Question ko lang ay ito. Ikaw ay isang beauty queen, di ba? Sa pagiging beauty queen, kung merong dapat unahin, ano ba ang dapat? Paghahanda para sa physical o paghahanda para sa mental?
For me, ang dapat unahin talaga is yung your mental state. Kasi if you are not mentally ready of doing something, you cannot perform. Hindi mo kayang mag-perform ng 100%. So before you would enter something, you have to focus and you have to remind yourself of why you are doing certain things. Kasi kapag nakafocus ka, susunod na lahat your body, your emotions, and everything. And you could perform 100%.
Ayun. Marami na tayo mga beauty queens na naging artista.
Yes po.
At ang isa nga sa palasak dito, si Maria Isabel Lopez, Asinet Briones, at marami pang iba. Among beauty queens turn to actress, sino ang gusto mong magaya or sundan sa kanila?
Actually, with that kind of question, wala. Gusto ko makilala ako as a beauty queen na ganitong klaseng artista. I don't want to be patterned with other beauty queens na nag-artista because I idolize them. I really do. Pero I wanted to be known as a beauty queen na nag-VMX na maganda ang ipinakita in both industry. I want to be remembered as Shannon Season per se.
Okay, bilang isang BMX tape na mag-host, tama nga ba? I-host mo nga ba ito? Kung meron kang iba pang pwedeng i-host maliban sa BMX, ano ito?
Host? Other than sa VMX, gusto ko yung mga travel yung mga travel hosting. Kasi I love to explore new things. I want to know a lot of different things in life. So, kung bibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na mag-host talaga, mga travel hosting gigs.
Okay, last one. Dahil malakas ang ulan sa labas, basang-basa ako. Question. Ano reaction mo bilang isang ordinaryong tao, bilang isang bagong kabataan, kung ikaw ay mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na may baguhin na ayusin sa ating lugar o sa ating bayan para maiwasan ang problema sa baha? My last question, ano yun? Thank you.
Kung meron akong gustong baguhin, is yung mindset yung mga Pilipino to take sides. Gusto ko sana yung mga tao maging pro-Philippines para magkaroon ng pag-unlad sa Pilipinas. Don't take sides, don't idolize people who is in the government, but idolize the Philippines itself. Ang sarap mahalin ng Pilipinas, pero ang hirap mahalin ng Pilipinas kung ganyang mga tao ang kasama mo. So if kung yun talaga ang sasabihin ko, pro-Philippines ka lang, wala nang iba. Thank you po.
Thank you. That was Morley Alina of DZRH. And for our last set of questions, we have Seti of Manila Trend Tracker.
Hi, Sharon.
Hello po.
Sobrang ganda naman.
Thank you po.
Honestly, lahat ng sagot mo, we really love it. Nakita namin na talagang matalino kang babae.
Ako, thank you po. Minsan
Totoo
sa bawa
yun. Ayun nga. So, my question is, what made you the woman you are right now? Is it because of your mother, yung mga life lesson na binigay niya sa'yo, kung bakit ganito ka sumagot sa amin, and very intelligent? Kung meron man, ano yung mga yun?
Siguro one is my mom, of course. Pero of course, ganito din ako sumagot because of my life experiences. Ang dami ko pinagdaanan sa buhay. Kung alam niyo lang. Pero, I mean, I want to inspire other people. Sabi ko nga, may mga batang nanonood. Whether like it or not, may mga batang nakakanood sa akin. And I hope that they would see me as someone na very intelligent when you talk to. Yung pag kinausap mo, may sense at may matututunan ka. Hindi lang puro daldal at hindi lang puro ganda. I mean, hindi ako matalino, hindi ako top 1, hindi ako summa cum laude, magna cum laude when I was in college. Pero I made sure I'm a wise woman. Full of wisdom. Gusto ko na kapag yung kausap ko at the end of the day, may natutunan siya sa akin at may ipapasa din niya yun sa ibang tao.
Kanya, speaking na may gusto kang matutunan namin sa'yo or yung mga kabataan ngayon, ano yung isang lesson na binigay sa'yo ng mother mo that you also want to share with kids right now?
Kung meron man akong may share na sinabi sa akin ni mother is, have your own finances. Kailangan ka magkaroon ng sariling pera so that you could live a situation na hindi mo kailangan tiisin yung isang bagay just because of financial problem. So kung ikaw kasi babae, lalo na sa mga babae, kung ikaw ay babae, kailangan ka magkaroon ng sariling ipon, sariling savings, sariling source of income. Para pagka nagkaroon na ng disrespect inside the relationship, you could leave. You can say goodbye kasi alam mo kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mo without you being stuck in that kind of situation. Kasi mahirap yun. Alam ko marami sa mga kababaihan natin na nakaka-experience na that they have to be in that situation kasi kailangan nila ng financial help. They needed to sustain not just themselves but also for the kids. So, di ba, kaya as early as now, ang mga babae dapat marunong magkaroon ng financial literacy.
Ang ganda na. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. That was Seti of Manila Trend Tracker, and that concludes your Q&A. Shannon, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Alam ko pong malakas ang ulan, pero maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito.
There you have it. Of course, please invite them to watch VMX Tapes.
Yes, sa lahat po, alam ko po marami po naka-VMX subscribe na po ngayon nakapag-download. Please do watch our VMX tapes po, showing tomorrow, August 18. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it. Once again, congratulations, Shannon. And let's all watch VMX Tapes tomorrow na yan. Thank you so much for all your questions. Shannon, please step forward once again for our last photo walk before we wrap up. There you have it. Thank you very much once again to our dear friends from the media for all your questions. And later on, we will be back for another film of VMX. And this time, sa harapan ninyo, yes, go ahead. Go ahead, Shannon, strike poses. Andito si Shannon Season, siya po ang host ng VMX Tapes Volume 1 and 2. Thank you so much, Shannon. Please join me here. Let's watch again the teaser of VMX Tapes.